and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I will show you on how I usually set up my or our diffuser here at home. So let's get started. By the way, ito yung humidifier or diffuser na nabili namin sa Lazada. So we got this for around 700 pesos. We decided to buy at Lazada kasi mas mura siya compared sa mall. Sa mall price, mas mahal siya, around 1,000 or more than 1,000 pesos. So, ganito. Yung features niya, merong switch for the mist para high and low. Yung, sa mist din yan siya, na button, at saka yung light. At saka meron dito 60, 120, 180, at saka on. Yung 60, it means 1 hour. 120 means 2 hours, and so on. At saka yung on means continuous lang yung pag-release ng smoke or ang pag-diffuse niya hanggang sa maubos yung water inside. So, sa ilalim is nandito yung saksakan ng switch or para lagyan or lalagyan ng saksakan, and then sa loob ito yung airway. So dito yung air outlet, at saka dito yung measurement ng water. So 100 ml, 200 ml, 300 ml, 400 ml, at saka yung max is 500 ml. Dapat, pag gamitin mo siya, or once you use this one, dapat naka-align tong butas or air outlet dito. So, dito lalabas yung smoke. Then, along with this one is itong parang small na pitcher or ano ba tawag dito. So dito natin ilalagay yung tubig na ilalagay din natin sa diffuser. And this is our essential oil. So usually bumibili kami ng essential oil sa Aromacology here in Davao City, and we had eucalyptus essential oil at saka lavender. But since my baby, si Bran, is now having allergy, meron siyang sipon, so we are going to use the eucalyptus para mas easy yung ano niya, breathing. So usually sa 100 ml we just put 3 drops, but for me or for us it depends, kasi sometimes yung 3 drops is not enough, kasi mas gusto namin yung mas malalanghap talaga yung amoy. So with this one, lalagay tayo ng around, let's say 100 ml lang din. And then drop 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. And by the way, sa opposite side ng air outlet, ito yung air outlet, nandito yung drainage side. So, once meron pang water at saka gusto mo nang i-release or i-drain yung diffuser mo, dito mo siya dapat i-drain na side. So, opposite side siya ng air outlet. And then, oops. And then, close natin. At saka, saksak natin, at saka once you turn it on, or if nasaksak na siya, meron kayong marinig na beep sound, and then after that pwede na kayong mag-press ng button. So ipe-press ko yung mist button. So, 60, 120, 180, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, and then yung on is yung unlimited lang. So, it depends. Hanggang, ito-turn on mo lang siya hanggang sa maubos yung water. So, meron ditong button na high and low. That is for the mist. So, kung gusto mo ng high, once na ipipress mo yung button, dapat marinig mo is 2 beeps. Pag low, 1 beep lang siya. So, ito try natin. So, yan. Next. Yun. So, ito, 2 beep yon. So, malakas na mist or high mist yun siya. And then, yun, 1 beep lang. So, it means low. And then, meron din siyang light button. So, once na i-press siya, once, dapat hard press. Yan. So, 1 hard press, and then, yan yung option na nag-change yung color ng light. Yan. And then, if you will press again, magsa-stop na yung pag-change ng color. It depends on which color you would like. So, this one is color blue, pero parang hindi siya color blue sa camera. And then, you want to switch to lighter color blue. And then, next, green. Then, darker na color green, I mean. And then, red. Lighter red yun siya. And then, darker na red. And then, purple. And then, darker purple. Yellow, green. And so on and so forth. And then, yan. Pag-turn off. Yan. First, 1 press lang siya, and then that's the different colors. Ito yung smoke niya for the low mist. By the way, ito try natin yung high mist. Yan. Mas lumakas yung smoke. And then low mist. Yan. Then high mist. Low mist. And then if you just want to turn off the light, yan. So that's it. And then turn off. Kung gusto niyo nang i-off, kahit meron pa siyang water, just press the mist button. Yan. So that's it for this video. I hope you will find it helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again. Bye-bye, Brandon. Bye. Bye, guys.